If you use Edge browser on your mobile, consider to watch this video from beginning to end and see how to clear cache cookies on your Edge browser and delete your data installed on Edge browser. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you need to do is to head over to your Edge browser. So I'm going to click on here, open up my Edge browser. Then having opened up your Edge browser, next thing you need to do is to click on this three dot from the bottom side. Then click on settings. Then click on privacy and securities. Then click on delete browsing data. Then right here you have cookies and site data and cache. What you need to do is to simply uncheck browse history. Then you are left with cookies, site data, and cache images. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on delete data. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply clear cache and cookies in your Edge browser. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.